Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description if you'd like to try this out on your own, and when you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, start with a 0. 0 gives us 1. How about a 1? Oh, well, 1 also gives us 1. How about a 2? Oh, and 2, we're up at 4, so that's interesting. It's hard to tell exactly what this is yet. Let's try a 3. Okay, so that appears to be linear, at least those 3 points. Let's do a negative. So negative 1 is 4, so we're seeing some left-right symmetry here. How about a negative 2? So I am seeing 2 linear arms that appear to come together in a V. So this is looking like an absolute value function to me. We're not seeing the vertex here, and it looks like it's between 0 and 1. So I'm just going to put in a 1/2, see if that looks like it. All right, and that does look like it. So what I'm noticing here is we've got an upward opening absolute value function. So it's going to be a positive. It's going to have a multiplier, I think, because we're not quite, yeah, it's a little hard to tell because our vertex is at 1/2, it looks like. So we've got some kind of multiplier on here. I'm actually going to put in the 0.3 so I'm 1 away from the vertex. And there we're at 2.5. So when we go 1, we've actually gone up 3 because we're down at negative 0.5 here, and we go up to positive 2.5. So I think our multiplier there is going to be 3. And I guess I could have seen that by looking at the slope of the rest of this line. But let me start sketching out this function. So we're going to have a 3. And then in our absolute value function, we've done a couple of things with moving this around. So we've moved over 1/2 in the positive direction. So that would mean an x minus 1/2 inside the absolute value brackets. And then we're also down 1/2 here. And that's just a minus 1/2 on the outside. So I think that's it. 3 times the absolute value of x minus 1/2 minus 1/2. Maybe we should test this. Let's put in a negative 2, for example. So that would be 3 times the absolute value of negative 2 minus 1/2 minus 1/2. All right, so negative 2 minus 1/2. Well, we can think of 2 as 4/2. So this would be negative 5/2. But we take the absolute value of that and we get 5/2 times 3 would be 15/2. Minus 1/2 would be 14/2. That is 7. Aha, that's exactly what we get there. And you can plug in some other points, but I think we've got this. I'm pretty sure. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, 3 times the absolute value of x minus 1/2 minus 1/2, and we can graph that as well. You get that nice sharp V of the absolute value function. Well, how did that go for you? Were you thinking absolute value? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.